Baby steps. Begin by lying down on your back with your knees bent and your feet standing. Bring awareness to the points making contact with the floor, your foundation points. Your head should be resting at the very center of the back of the skull, beneath the bridge of your nose. Flatten the shoulder blades against the floor and ground into the sacrum. Place the feet parallel, hip distance apart. Now press into the feet equally, curling the tailbone to point up towards your knee. Roll up the sacrum and the lumbar spine to rest on your back ribs. Place the Myssage balls beneath the hip bones on the outer edges of the pelvis. Lower the pelvis back down to create pressure. Take a 4-count breath in, and then exhale, allowing the tissue to soften under pressure. Bring the palms face down to support movement. Now take a baby step forward with the left foot, keeping the right foot standing stable. Begin to flap the left knee, allowing the knee to open toward the floor and then drawing it back up toward the midline. As the knee opens, roll onto the pinky toe side of the left foot. Begin to merge the movement with your breath. Inhale the knee back up to center, and then take another baby step forward and begin the same flapping motion. Each breath, the knee lowers an increment deeper. Inhale the knee back up to center. Place the feet parallel and press into them equally. Curl the pelvis up and out of pressure. Take the balls out from under and roll back down the spine to rest against the sacrum. Soften your skin against the floor, and now begin the same sequence on the other side. Press into the feet, roll up the spine, place the balls underneath the hip bones, and then lower back down into pressure. You should feel as though the pelvis were being cradled by the balls placed. Place the palms face down to support movement. Keep the left foot standing stable as you take a baby step forward with the right foot. Begin to flap the right knee, rolling onto the pinky toe side of the right foot, deepening the flap with each breath incrementally. Inhale back up to center and take another baby step forward. Notice the change in trajectory and in pressure. Begin to flap the knee in toward the midline and out toward the floor. Inhale back up. Draw the foot back to parallel. Press into the feet equally, curling up and off of the balls, and then remove the balls. Roll back down the spine and rest against the sacrum. Take the time now to track any sensation. Notice any tingling, heat, or awakening.